Thank you, Honorable CJ and President of the Court. I just have one inquiry, one question for the respondents, and it may go to, actually it may be answered by either the counsel, senior counsel Guido Ngai and his team for the first and second respondents, or it could also be taken up at the same time by counsel for the ninth respondent. That is the team of the team of senior counsel Fred Gatia. It's my understanding that one of the submissions and cases in response by the first and second respondents on the one hand, and the ninth respondent, that is the President-elect, are placing the blame on the events of the 9th at the Tallying Center, Bomas of Kenya. That the two groups of parties are placing the blame on the first and second petitioners' agents and sympathizers and supporters during the tallying and verification. Of course, we have images. Some of us, many of us were not there. At least the bench was not there. But we have images which we saw on TV. We cannot say anything about what exactly happened. But we just know there was commotion, and people are throwing chairs and even perhaps attempts to harm each other. But we cannot say anything about it ourselves as a bench. Neither were those matters before us. In these proceedings, no evidence or allegations, affidavits. We have seen the affidavits, seen the submissions, but no actually determination or delving into any evidence. So, and yet there is a request, a suggestion that we should attribute and apportion blame among the we should place the blame on some parties, particularly the petitioners, because of their agents, supporters, and therefore actually you expect, particularly I can see the submissions of the ninth respondent, and even I saw the affidavit of Professor Goulier, where he actually says he expects action to be taken to investigate those criminal election offenses. So I just wanted to inquire that would you expect, having had such elaborate submissions and affidavits, would you still expect us to make a determination, apportion blame, attribute blame, yet really the matter is not before us? Neither are we witnesses, neither were we at the Bomas, neither were these matters had on merit before us. That's the question I would like you to think about and reflect. And when you come back, you will tell us whether you expect any release from us on that aspect. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge President. My clarifications will be sought from the team led by Professor Guido Muigai, Senior Counsel. The first clarification I seek is as follows. As regards the requirements of Article 140, and just remaining within Article 140, and even considering that the four new commissioners only arrived in, was it September last year? And whatever it is they've been doing on a day-to-day basis, please clarify in my mind, because it's a major issue here, what the constitutional role of the 6 commissioners is under Article 140. And once you tell us what it is, juxtaposition their role against that of the staff of the Secretariat and of the chair. To the same team, and that is as per Article 138 3C, to the same team, of course, numbers are critical. They are, for me, they are. Because that is a mandate of 138 for A and B, the threshold, the 50% plus 1. And numbers are important for as long as they are not negated by any other process. And numbers would point to a good election, a good result, if they are not affected by anything else.